Hey there, welcome to this video on how to create customized proposals for Fiverr briefs using ChatGPT. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the power of AI to craft unique proposals that will help you stand out from the crowd and sell more of your services. So let's get started. I have logged into my Fiverr profile and I have a few briefs available in this notification section. So we will first analyze the brief if it matches our skill set. Let's see. Okay, I think this doesn't sound real, so we will just have a look on other briefs. Okay, I'd like to create a WordPress e-commerce website. Unfortunately, I hired. Okay, sounds good. But let's ask ChatGPT to analyze this project description and write us a personalized proposal for this client. Okay, so I'll use some prompts to write a personalized proposal. Okay, act business developer of a freelancer's profile and write a customized proposal for the script. I'm the for the project description I'll provide below, and then just paste it. Should be unique and simple and short. Let's see what ChatGPT has to offer now. In a free version, it takes some time. Okay, here it is. Dear client, thank you for considering my proposal for your WordPress e-commerce website. I've carefully reviewed your requirements and challenges faced with the previous freelancers. I understand that you're looking for a highly functional website with a fast loading speed. I'm confident that I can provide you with a customized solution to address the problem you have highlighted. Yeah, this thing is really important. It can help us win this project. So there we have it. Make sure to proofread and add it based on your experience and based on your portfolio. Make sure to add some links to your previous projects and customize it and submit it as like this. Change it to the username of client and then just send it over. I hope this video helped you to increase your business, and make sure to subscribe this channel and leave any advice or any questions in the comment section. Thank you.